Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I create lightning and this is the one of the best way to create lightning. So you have lots of control on the light position and the movement. You have full control on that. So let's start this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. So I have already created this, but I will create that again. So let's create that. So let's take a Niagara and I'll put the original file on my Patreon so you can check. So I have this fountain and let's call it test. Okay. And in this one, let's say you have just 100 particles. Okay. And you don't have any velocity or anything. So all the particles are here on the center. And then you have just once and life infinite. So you have just 100 particles that living forever. Then what you can do, you can select this